Hello, I am Dr. K. Mishra from R Classes. I welcome you all to my YouTube channel R Classes. This video tutorial is on multiple choice questions on business communication part 2. Now come to the question number 1. Readability is determined mainly by A. Punctuation, B. Length of words, C. Active and passive voice, or D. Spelling. Correct option is B. Length of words. 2. Fudge index is used to measure A. Clarity of message, B. Courtesy of message, C. Readability of message, D. All. Correct option is C. Readability of message. 3. A message may be understood by an average educated person if fudge index is A. More than 15, B. Less than 15, C. Negative, D. 0. Correct option is B. Less than 15. 4. Communication is a dash A. One-way process, B. Two-way process, C. Three-way process, or D. Four-way process. Correct option is B. Two-way process. 5. The main objective of communication is A. Information and persuasion, B. Skill and personality development, C. Control and management, D. Need. Correct option is information and persuasion. 6. The downward communication flow from A. Subordinate to a superior, B. A subordinate to a subordinate, C. A superior to a superior, D. A superior to a subordinate. Correct option is A. A subordinate to a superior. 7. Gossip and rumor are part of dash communication. A. Formal, B. Informal, C. Horizontal, D. Vertical. Correct option is B. Informal. 8. Examples of oral communication dash A. Letter, B. Email, C. Telephone, D. Fax. Correct option is C. Telephone. 9. Which one is an effective audio-visual communication? A. Cinema, B. Television, C. Drama, D. All of the above. Correct option is D. All of the above. 10. Advantage of written communication. A. Save time, B. Save money, C. Permanent record, D. Neat. Correct option is C. Permanent record. 11. Communication saves time in A. Internal communication, B. Interview, C. Oral communication, D. Schedule. Correct option is D. Schedule. 12. Written communication does not include A. Reports, B. Forms, C. Noted, D. None of these. Correct option is D. None of these. 13. Dash refers to mental disturbances. A. Coherence, B. Notion, C. Distraction, D. Psychological noise. Correct option is C. Distraction. 14. Mental turbulence refers to A. Inability to understand, B. Confusion in the mind of receiver, C. Confusion in the mind of sender, or D. Inability to speak. Correct option is B. Confusion in the mind of receiver. 15. The clarity in communication could be achieved by which of the following techniques? A. Choose words that are short, familiar, and conversational. B. Construct effective sentences and paragraphs. C. Achieve appropriate readability. D. All of the above. Correct option is D. All of the above. 16. In empathetic communication, we can A. Probe, B. Respond to the feelings, C. Interpret, D. Advise. Correct option is B. Respond to the feelings. 17. Conciseness of message refers to A. Crispness, B. Comprehensiveness, C. Specificity, D. Brevity. Correct option is D. Brevity. 18. Errors in language, grammar, or visual representation of facts take away A. Clarity, B. Correctness, C. Crispness, D. Conciseness. Correct option is B. Correctness. 19. Dash is the process of exchanging messages between a seller and a customer. A. Organizational communication, B. Business communication, C. Managerial communication, or D. Professional communication. Correct option is B. Business communication. 20. Listening, reading, speaking, and writing are all types of A. Communication skills, B. Emotional barriers, C. Evaluation techniques. D. Non-verbal communication. Correct option is A. Communication is. 21. Communication barriers are A. A receiver's response to a message. B. Avenues through which messages are delivered. C. Obstacles that interfere with the understanding of a message. D. The circumstances under which communication takes place. Correct option is C. Obstacles that interfere with the understanding of a message. 22. All the following are examples of verbal communication except A. Email, B. Symbols, C. Telephone calls, D. Text messaging. Correct option is B. Symbols. 23. Dash is the wordless form of communication which takes the form of postures, body language, facial expressions, eye contacts, tension, breathing, and tones, etc. A. Verbal communication, B. Garbage communication, C. Informal communication, or D. Non-verbal communication. Correct option is D. Non-verbal communication. 24. According to Richard Fitch, in communication process 90% belongs to dash a formal communication, B. Non-verbal communication, C. Informal communication, or D. Oral communication. Correct option is B. Non-verbal communication. 25. Dash means the position in which you hold your body when standing or sitting. A. Gestures, B. Postures, C. Paralanguage, D. Proxemics. Correct option is B. Postures. 26. According to proxemics, that is space language basically, zones are classified in two dash categories: A3, B4, C5, D6. Correct option is B4. 27. The keys to write a successful resume are A. Too long, verbose descriptions and overconfident tone. B. You attitude, focus on your audience and think about prospective employers' need. C. None of the above or D. All. Correct option is B. You attitude, focus on your audience and think about prospective employers' need. 28. While giving an interview, B. Dash in your salary expectations. A. Modest, B. Unrealistic, C. Realistic, D. None. Correct option is A. Modest. 29. An informal report is usually in the form of a dash communication. A. Person to person, B. Prescribed form, C. Regular intervals, D. Authoritative. Correct option is A. Person to person. 30. List of items to be discussed and decided in a meeting is called as dash A. Resolution, B. Minutes, C. Invoice, or D. Agenda. Correct option is D. Agenda. All about this particular video tutorial. I hope that you have liked it, and if you have liked it, please do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel R Classes and press the bell button and pass it on to others, those who are needy now and in the future. Thank you. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much. Have a nice time. Best of luck.